Are you looking for an angling advantage? Do you fish in tournaments? Are you a weekend angler that needs to maximize your limited time on the water? Then you need this video. From the producers of Delaware Valley Outdoors comes the definitive how-to video on the secrets to successfully fishing the Tidal Delaware River. Join host Bob Murray and Steve Horvath in exploring the best spots and techniques that work on the river. 60 minutes of the very best spots that will make you a better angler. For more details on this DVD, go to DelawareValleyOutdoors.com.